Have you ever gone to get clothes out of the dryer only to find the entire load wrapped up in your bedsheet? What about the dryer? You go to fold your laundry only to find that your sheets have inconveniently rolled everything into a ball and now nothing is actually dry, so you've got to do the cycle again.
Yarr.
Well, the inventor of this week's new Tolu 2 faced just such issues and decided to do something about it. Wad-Free is a specially designed tool that holds the corners of your bed sheets while laundering. It's designed to keep your sheets from wrapping themselves around the other laundry items, improving washing efficiency, keeping the washer in balance, reducing drying time by up to 75%, and reducing those annoying wrinkles that often come along with the twists and turns.
That's a good idea!
Wad-Free, gotta love the name, comes in a 2-pack, one for the fitted sheet and one for the flat sheet. The gadget's attached to the 4 corners of both sheets, interrupting the physics behind why sheets form wads in the first place. So my first thought when I used this was it's a great idea and I know that I would benefit from it because my sheets are always in a wad. But here is a tip, and I'm glad I read this somewhere because I will absolutely use it this way. So once you take the sheets out of the dryer, you keep the Wad-Free attached to one corner. And then when you make the bed, you just tuck it under the bed, so that way it's ready to go when you take the sheets off next time to wash them. Wad-Free for bed sheets is made right here in the USA, which we love, and each 2-pack goes for $18.99. For more information, visit HouseSmartsRadio.com.
That's this week's Noodaloo-Doo.